Here's my Wiki page that I have put together. I decided to use a linear equations kind of study guide as my model, mostly because that's what we're working on in math right now with my fifth graders. This is the first page of it, linear equations home, and we have just some background information here. What is a linear equation, and what we're doing, we're finding the value of a missing term. Then at the bottom of the home page, I have vocabulary. Students will need to know and memorize in order to solve these, in order to use the rules that I have here. And then I have all the same information in a printable document. And so you could download that. And here in just a moment, it should pop up. Okay, and there it is in a printable Word document to make copies of and hand out to your students or to post in the classroom, whatever you'd like to do. Back to the wiki, if you click on next page, it takes you to the first page of the linear equations rules. I have them set by addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I have rules for each type of problem. If there's a missing addend, it means to subtract, and then the steps to solving it, and then checking the answer. If you notice, the rules are all the same format for each type of problem. We have subtraction problems with a missing minuend, subtraction problems with a missing subtrahend. If we go to the next page, we'll see the second page of directions, multiplication problems and division problems. Okay. At the end, just in case my rules were difficult to follow or the students need another presentation, here I have embedded a video from TeacherTube of another teacher explaining the same information. Okay, and just to save on time, I'm not going to play the whole video. If you're interested, you could click on that on my wiki. To go into how I actually made this wiki, I went to www.wikispaces.com. And if you go there, I have an account, so I'm logged in right now. You would need to create your own page. And once you have a page started and have given it a name, they will start you on a new page with some basic directions here. Okay, and then the first thing you would do is edit. And you can just, it's really formatted like Microsoft Word. You can just start typing. Here you have different, the bold, italics, and underline for your text, and then the text design for headings and sizes, numbering, bullets. You can embed a link from either another of your wiki pages or a website, an external website. You can embed files, again, off of your own. You can upload from your own desktop. Here are a bunch of different widgets, or from what I understand, those are kind of like different tools and gadgets that you can embed. And there's just several of these. I did not explore all of them. My TeacherTube video, I went to video in TeacherTube, and it just has the basic instructions on what to do. You find one, and then the video has already an embeddable code that you just copy and paste. That's all there is to that. You can insert a table. You can insert comments. Before you save it, you can preview the page, and then once you think you've made all the changes you need to make, you just click Save, and it'll save that information. Okay, I'll probably go back and delete this because I didn't really do anything with this page. And then over here, you can you have all the pages that you have made. If you go to Manage Wiki, that's where you can find just kind of the controls for everything. You see I have a kind of a notebook template. I did that under Look and Feel. You can pick a pre-made theme, which I found to be the easiest to do. I didn't really explore much with the style sheet. I really liked the format they already had. Again, I don't really have my own personal logo. Should I want to use this site more, I might put like my district's logo or something. But again, I did not use the logo feature there. Can I go back to my linear equations? Home. Okay. And then from here, once you like your page and you're ready to share, okay, you can go to members and you can send out invitations to everybody to invite them to come view your page. Hopefully, I'm not an expert on this, but hopefully I showed enough that if you were interested in making a page of your own, you could use mine as an example and follow the directions I gave to make your own wiki. So enjoy.